Hello students, welcome to class 7 Geography Ncert book chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. What are the three layers of the earth? Answer is, the three layers of the earth are, first one is crust. This is the outermost layer composed of solid rock. It is divided into continental crust, thicker and less dense, and oceanic crust, the thinner and denser. Then mantle, the layer beneath the crust consisting of semi-solid rock. It is the thickest layer and is further divided into the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The last one is core, the innermost layer consisting of a solid inner core and a liquid outer core. The core is primarily composed of iron and nickel and is responsible for generating Earth's magnetic field. What is a rock? A rock is a naturally occurring solid aggregate or mixture of minerals. It is composed of various mineral grains or mineraloids bound together through geological processes like cooling and solidification of magma, deposition and compaction of sediment, or metamorphic transformations. Rocks can have different textures, colors and compositions, and they form the fundamental building blocks of the Earth's crust. Name three types of rocks. The three types of rocks are igneous rocks. These rocks are formed from the solidification and cooling of molten magma or lava. Examples include granite, basalt and obsidian. Then sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed through the deposition, compaction and cementation of sediments. Examples include sandstone, limestone and shale. Then the third one is metamorphic rocks. These rocks are generated through the metamorphic transformation of pre-existing rocks, which occurs under condition of elevated temperature and pressure. The examples include marble, slate and gneiss. How are extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? The extrusive rocks and intrusive rocks are formed through different processes. The first one, extrusive rocks. These rocks are formed from the solidification of lava that reaches the Earth's surface. When volcanic eruptions occur, molten lava is ejected and rapidly cools down upon exposure to the air or water, leading to quick solidification. This rapid cooling results in fine-grained textures in extrusive rocks, such as basalt or obsidian. The second one is intrusive rocks. These rocks, also known as plutonic rocks, are formed from the solidification of magma deep within Earth's crust. Magma is molten rock that remains below the surface and slowly cools over a long period, allowing for larger mineral crystals to form. This slow cooling process results in coarse-grained textures in intrusive rocks such as granite or gabbro. What do you mean by a rock cycle? The rock cycle is a continuous geological process that describes the formation, transformation and recycling of rocks on Earth. It involves the interplay of various geological forces and processes, including weathering, erosion, deposition, heat, pressure and melting. The rock cycle consists of three main stages. First one, igneous rocks. Magma or lava solidifies to form these rocks through cooling and crystallization. Second one, sedimentary rocks. Igneous, metamorphic or existing sedimentary rocks undergo weathering, erosion, transportation and deposition to form sedimentary rocks. Third one, metamorphic rocks. Existing rocks are subjected to high heat and pressure, causing changes in their mineral composition, texture and structure, leading to the formation of metamorphic rocks. These rocks can then be uplifted, exposed to the surface and subjected to weathering and erosion, standing the cycle anew. The rock cycle highlights the dynamic nature of Earth's geology and the continuous transformation of rocks over long periods of time. What are the uses of rocks? Rocks have various uses in different aspects of human life. Some common usage of rocks include construction materials. Rocks such as granite, limestone and sandstone are used as building materials for construction projects, including roads, bridges, buildings, and monuments. Aggregate. Crushed rocks such as gravel and crushed stone are used as aggregates in concrete and asphalt for construction purposes. Then manufacturing. Rocks and minerals are used in the manufacturing industry to produce materials like cement, ceramics, glass, and fertilizers. The last one, jewelry and gemstones. Certain rocks and minerals such as diamonds, rubies, emeralds, and quartz are prized for their beauty and used in the production of jewelry and gemstones. What are metamorphic rocks? Metamorphic rocks are a type of rock that forms from the transformation of pre-existing rocks under high heat and pressure conditions. The intense heat and the pressure cause the mineral composition, texture, and structure of the rocks to change, resulting in the formation of metamorphic rocks. Examples of metamorphic rocks include marble, quartzite, and gneiss. Take the correct answer. The rock, which is made up of molten magma, is igneous. The innermost layer of the earth is core. Gold, petroleum, and coal are examples of minerals. Rocks which contain fossils are sedimentary rocks. The thinnest layer of the earth is crust. Match the following. In column A, it is core, minerals, rocks, clay, and CL. In column B, it is earth surface used for roads and buildings, made up of silicon and alumina, has definite chemical composition, innermost layer, changes to slate, process of transformation of the rock. Let's go through the combination and the answer. So what is core? This is the innermost layer. Minerals has definite chemical composition. Rocks used for roads and buildings. Clay changes into slate, then Cl, made up of silicon and alumina. Give reasons. We cannot go to the center of the earth. So, we cannot go to the center of the earth due to extreme heat and pressure. As we descend deeper into the earth, the temperature increases significantly, reaching thousands of degrees Celsius. Additionally, the pressure at Earth's core is immense, far beyond what the human body can withstand. These inhospitable conditions make it physically impossible for us to reach Earth's center. The Earth's core is approximately 6,371 kilometers beneath the surface, composed of extremely high temperatures and pressures. The deepest humans have reached is only a few kilometers into Earth's crust, and the technology required to withstand these extreme conditions at the Earth's core is currently beyond our capabilities. Sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments. The sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments through the process of weathering, erosion, transport, deposition, compaction, and cementation. These sediments, which consist of fragments of pre-existing rocks, minerals, and organic matter, accumulate and solidify over time to form sedimentary rocks. Limestone is changed into marble. Limestone is changed into marble through a process called metamorphism. Metamorphism occurs when limestone, which is a sedimentary rock primarily composed of calcium carbonate, undergoes intense heat and pressure within Earth's crust. The heat and pressure cause the minerals in the limestone to recrystallize, resulting in a transformation into marble. This process leads to changes in the texture, structure, and appearance of the rock, giving marble its characteristic crystalline structure and diverse range of colors. With this, we are completing this chapter. We'll continue in the next session. So thanks for watching the video.